Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the free trial of the Pictory. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to open the Pictory website and you need to create account on that. And after creating an account, you will get the options like this. So as you can see, here is the option for the upgrade option. So we have to click on the upgrade. 14 days trial activated. So we have to click on the upgrade. Currently, I'm using the 14 days trial. So for getting the 14 days trial, you just need to create account on that, and after that you will be able to use that. So as you can see the status, 14 days are left in my trial and the plan end date. My trial will be ended on the 17th June, and videos and what I have did, you will be able to see all the details here. Workspace user. Now if you want to buy a plan, you can also do that. You have to click on the buy plan and you will be able to get that. So as you can see now, for getting the Pictory free trial, you just need to create an account on the Pictory and automatically your 14 days trial will be activated. So in this way you can get a free trial on Pictory. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.